Shall we make a quick jacket by draping a dupatta or a stole, which will cover many of your looks? Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist and an image consultant. So if any one of you are new here, I would suggest subscribing, and once you've seen this video, if you liked it, please like and share. And I'm so glad that you could join me today to see this video. So let's plunge right in. So today we are going to do a completely different episode where I'm going to show you one of those DIYs. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can take one of your dupattas or stoles and drape it into a jacket, which will give you an instantaneous edgy look. Now, the benefits of this jacket is that if you're wearing Western, like a shirt or a top, it completely gives you a very alternate look. You know, if you are a girl who is used to always having a stole around you, you could, for a change and for a very exclusive look, you can make it into a quick jacket. And if you're wearing a kameez or a kurta, it instantaneously takes you into an Indo-Western look. Because instead of wearing the typical dupatta that you wear with your kameez and kurta, you can wear this jacket. And one more huge benefit for girls who are a little big and a little busty, you know, because women like this or girls like this tend to always feel that they should have some kind of a stole or some kind of a wrap around their bust. So what you can do is, when you use this, you are not typically using the typical style of just having it around your neck, but you're just making it jump into a very alternate look by making it into a jacket. And I shall also be showing you some looks based on this. First, I will show you how this is done, and then I'll also show you some looks where you can see how smart it looks with a Western wear and an Indian wear. So let's jump right in. So I will show this drape with a dupatta first. So I'm taking this dupatta. As you can see, it's a full-fledged dupatta. Okay, so this is the entire stretch of it, and what I do is I fold it exactly into half. Alright, I fold it like this, and then I stretch it out like this, as you see. Okay, and then this and this end, you bring it together. Bring these two ends together and tie a simple knot here, a small little knot. Okay, just secure it, and then what you do is you just divide it into and spread out the thing, and then you get something like this. Do you see that? So these two holes become where you put your hands, and what you do is you just take it and wear it as a jacket. You just put it on like this and just do it like this, and then you just correct both the parts. The ends can actually either go inside like this, all right, and then you straighten it out, or if you want more of drapes coming out, you can also take it out like this, so that you have more of layers coming here which is visible. So in any case, this is the way it looks. People who would like to go a step forward can also maybe have a belt, but then it's a completely different look. But this itself looks really good and nice for a regular, and this is how the back looks. So you can see the knot here, you know, it looks smart actually. You know, it kind of gives a razor back. So this is how it is tied. Now all of you saw how I draped that, and all of you also saw the 1 or 2 looks that I showed you regarding this, and I want all of you to experiment this. Girls who wear dupattas and stoles, please experiment and see, try it out with all your versatile dupattas and stoles and see how you can completely change the way you look. I believe you've liked this video. If you liked it, please like and share. And any one of you who have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I deal in topics like fashion, style and image. If you have any recommendations, any queries, any doubts, you can please post it down below, and I'll be doing videos that you would like to see. I'll be seeing you very soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay happy. Signing off, Archana Shankar.